Where are we going, guys?
IKEA? IKEA.
IKEA. So we're here at Mall of Asia in Pasay, and we're going to IKEA today. We haven't shopped here in a while, so we thought we'd pick up some stuff here. That way. I like it. It's not too crowded today. We're here on a Wednesday, midday. Britney Spears. Go like this. Woohoo! Oh, these are cute. Little like foxes. So cute. Oh man, I remember the days when we used to shop at IKEA back in the States. This place is so caught up. Look at this closet. It's enormous. We used to have this. This is like the iconic IKEA side table. We used to have this back in the States. IKEA for business consulting. Like it's like a little coffee shop. You could actually get these. The hook. That's the ultimate gaming table right there. IKEA gaming range.
Where's the sinigang though?
No IKEA sinigang. The Swedish taco.
That does not fit that.
Huge.
Well, hush.
You want that for your bed?
I want it.
Huh?
I kind of want it.
You gonna carry that with you though?
Alright.
Dang.
My bad.
Your bed is like gonna be full of aquatic animals. Should we get one for Sarge?
But I really want it.
Over the snake?
We're not gonna get the snake then.
Okay.
I'd rather get this.
Okay. Is that like a stove?
I think so. It's like a toy stove.
It's not a DJ mixer. Man, this place is so nostalgic. Super nostalgic. Kona can't get enough of the stuffed animals. Kona has a soft spot for plushies. Still the shark?
Yeah.
Still the shark?
Well, hush.
Dang. Do you think that's bigger than your seal?
No, the seal's definitely bigger. The seal's gonna eat it.
We were about to get the snake. Those are kind of cool too. Oh, they have leche flan. Should we get leche flan?
Sure. One.
Sure. They have mango chiffon spice. Yeah.
You want this?
Yeah.
I want the salmon.
I just want a small garden salad. Hello, can I get... Oh wait, are we getting meatballs?
Yes.
Meatballs are not available.
Ah!
Hot dogs are not
No! Out of stock! Okay, I'll get a plate of the barbecue. And Namako. Yay. Oh my god, I can't believe there's no Swedish meatballs today. Meh. They have chicken. Yes, boss. Thank you. There it is. Looks good. Truffle cheese croquette. Where shall we sit? Yep. It replaces a colander and a strainer. Oh, cool. See, it's like a glass lid. Alright. Did you get this one? Oh yeah, cookie jar. That's like a hook
Oh, what
for
is
the wall.
that?
Yeah.
We should just put this on starch.
Just put it on his tail since he has no tail. What is that?
Oh, it's actually a thing that you can fold.
Yeah. Demonstrate.
Dude, someone big.
I could like turn that into a tent.
Is this for the doggies? Look how small it is.
Falls under.
Yeah. Unless it comes in a bigger size. That's so funny. I know. We got crayfish. Sherry. Crawfish.
How much is it?
$5.95. Let's get it. All right. Gotta get the lingonberry. Banana thins, but they got truffle flavor, chocolate flavor, and normal flavor over here. Dismantling area. This is cool. Oh, I am ready for sale.
Bun once or yeah. Which one?
I don't know.
That one.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
That was quick.
Ice cream.
It's so tiny. There it is. 10 pesos. Coconut vegan. It tastes better than like the last time they had it. I think they changed it.
Wow.
It's good.
That's amazing, dude.
Too bad you don't like coconut, guys.
Missing out.
Well, we're
Missing out. Are you sure? Let's try it. Are you sure you're really allergic?
Several times.
Is it like in that one? Oh, I like how they have pepper in there. Oh, it is good. These remind me of like bagel dogs.
Right?
Dude, IKEA like leveled up the food. At least the one here.
I was gonna have that. I'll try
Yeah, it's good. It's alright.
Tastes buttery.
That is becoming the hiding spot.